Make some more Nana? Try it. Ooh. Did we find something you like? Did we? Kind of? You're thinking about liking it. At least you open your mouth for it. Try it again. Oh, oh, oh. It's yummy, huh? Maybe? Kind of? Your faces are just awesome. You want to try it again? Oh, I love how you open your mouth so big. I do. That's a good girl. What do you think about that banana?